Hello, I am Dr. J.V. Srinivas, Lead and Senior Consultant, Department of Orthopedics, Aster RV Hospital, JP Nagar, Bangalore. On October 12th, we are celebrating World Arthritis Day, which is declared by WHO, to create awareness among the society about arthritis and its preventive programs. As we all know, many diseases are there in our society. We can broadly divide them as infective and non-infective conditions or diseases. In non-infective conditions, it can be hypertension, diabetes, back pain and arthritis, and varieties of non-infective conditions are there where people are suffering. If you take among all these non-infective conditions, arthritis is the number one disease which is more than any of the disease which is prevailing in our society. That includes hypertension or diabetes or any other condition. Arthritis is the most common condition. According to the population statistics, and in coming next 10 years, India will be the number one country in the world where the people suffering with arthritis are maximum. The numbers would be maximum in the world. That's the reason WHO has declared October 12th as World Arthritis Day. You may be asking, what is arthritis? Arthritis is basically a generic term where we call a patient suffering with arthritis if their joints are painful or movements of the joints are painful. Basically, it is inflammation of the joints. Arthritis can be again an inflammatory arthritis and non-inflammatory arthritis. Inflammatory arthritis most commonly is rheumatoid arthritis. Apart from that, we have many other arthritis like ankylosing spondylitis or Richter's disease or psoriatic arthritis or many inflammatory conditions. Non-inflammatory most commonly is osteoarthritis knee, usually seen in elderly patients, more common in the knee joints. You might have seen many people, elderly women suffering with severe knee pain, not able to walk, not able to climb stairs, not able to do their daily activities. This is a non-infective condition we call osteoarthritis. Inflammatory condition most common is rheumatoid and many other conditions are there. For inflammatory arthritis, the treatment is usually done by a rheumatologist with the disease modifying drugs. It's because this is a disease which has to be controlled with medication. Whereas a non-infective arthritis, that is osteoarthritis, should be handled with weight reduction, physiotherapy, exercises, sometimes intra-articular injections of platelets, platelet-rich plasma, stem cell injection, viscosupplement injection into the particular joint, or sometimes we may have to do a surgery to relieve the patient of pain and make the patient walk around. So there are different modalities of treatment and different kinds of arthritis in our society. On 12th of October, I will be talking on different varieties of arthritis which is there in our society and different treatment modalities and different preventive programs or preventive activities which we can do to reduce the disabling or crippling condition of these patients. Hope I see you everyone on that day, that is on 12th of October, when I give a small talk on this arthritis. Thank you very much.